I'm gonna show you in this tutorial how you can change from stroke to fill in Blender. So I'm gonna add here squeeze pencil. I'm gonna go in draw mode, and now here we go to, where is it? We go to material properties, and here in surface you are surfing because you want to change from stroke to fill. You want to surface while filling your work. So now you check here fill and deselect stroke. All right. All right, guys. And now we can start using filling. Yes. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more. Alright. Make sure you subscribe for more. If you have any questions for the next tutorial, let me know in the comment section. And now I'll see you in the next video.